I'm going to visit Sky. She's expecting me. Please let me go, Dad. You never let me go anywhere, you heartless father. Just because I'm young and famous, I hate you so much. How would you like to be kept inside all the time? Go away, you horrible heartless father. Oh no. I'm very sorry, Sky. How would he be so heartless?